tried to drive away. Something caught my eye here. Okay, so this path, about 4 months ago it was blocked, so I couldn't get in here. Now it's open. Oh, what did I see? You know, the vantage point was way different from in my van. I'm being grabbed, but dang it, I've got to come in here and show you what's going on in here. Look at this. This is all different than it was. See all these dead trees here? That wasn't here before. See, look at this. Look beyond. Look beyond. Straggling hunks of wood from there's a big den back in there as well. That's the spooky part where I kept getting spooked out. Okay, so where are those leaners I just saw? Oh, I thought these were leaners and they're actual branches off the tree. Okay. Okay. I'm good. Fresh water. Yeah. Fresh runoff. See the tree hanging in the tree. See that? Wonder why it's opened back up again. That's wild. Yeah, so this is like the back of the den, I guess. Groovy babies, okay. Come on, sunshine.